share a tip for generating large scene images in ComfyUI. The column on the left contains images I think are quite good, with resolutions mostly above 2K but below 4K. On the right are some images I think have issues. So let's take a look at how to achieve this generation directly. Actually, you just need to load a node called Kohya Deep Shrink between the checkpoint and the K-sampler, then connect it in series at the model section. It is recommended to use the lighting model here, allowing us to generate an image of over 2K, but under 4K in about 10 steps. You can see this is my resolution, mostly 3000 by 1500. The column on the left should be fine. What they have in common is that they both focus on a single subject. When there are multiple subjects in the image, it's easy to have problems. Let's look at these 4 lines above. Can you tell if the scene has gotten bigger?
The scene has indeed become larger, and at first glance, it seems fine, but upon closer inspection, there are many issues to address.
The Godzilla above is sometimes in the sky, sometimes in the water. No matter where it stands, it's never quite right. But when you scale its resolution down to 2K, it can still roughly locate itself, just like this image shows.
The dragon below is still an old problem, but it looks pretty impressive at first glance.
When generating large-scale figures, there is a problem. The proportions of their body are incorrect.
For example, if someone has a long neck, long arms, an overly long upper body, incorrect positioning of the chest, or excessively long arms, this indicates a problem with the character's proportions.
The scenery and abstract elements on the left aren't a big issue.
The next line here is all about having multiple eyes. Everyone can see that there are many eyes.
This line mainly means that it will also reveal some flaws.
So you can see with the help of quality check, maybe my previous examples still haven't made it clear enough to you.
For example, at 2K resolution, generating a unicorn without using this node would result in this outcome. If we add this node, it would produce this result instead.
You think it's improved?
It's at least moving in a good direction. On this particular parameter of the node, it seems there is no official guidance available, so there's also no specific conclusion or experience to share. We can only say that you can directly add it and start it up.
Navigate to AI at Running Harbor, or click the link in the description to register and get 1200 coins. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.